It was a keeper then and it's a keeper now. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a quick update on the unit that I have on today. If you would like a more detail of the first impression of this unit, I will leave it up in the cards up above so you can check that out after you watch this video. But today I'm going to give you an update of this unit. I have been wearing it for over a month now, and honey, let me tell you, it is fabulous. Like, it was a keeper then and it's a keeper now, honey. Yes, she is amazing. She is so soft, she's manageable, she is just simply amazing. I have received so many compliments on this gorgeous unit. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's 100% human virgin hair, the ombre chocolate brown in the FB30. It has baby hairs, which, you know, I don't use some baby hairs, but it does come with baby hairs if you want to lay those suckers down. And I have her in the 14 inch. This is how it looks all the way towards the front. This is 14 inches. This is how it is on me. It is 150% density. It does come with 3 combs, cash adjustable straps, so you can get the perfect fit for your head. And honey, she is just thebomb.com. Like, is anybody saying that? Well, I'm gonna say it. It's thebomb.com, boo. Okay. So if you were on the fence about getting this unit, honey, come on off that fence. Come on off that fence, because she is a keeper. You are going to love her. Like, I wear her in the middle. You can wear her on the side. She's amazing, y'all. She's just amazing. You can do the wet look. This is how she looks diffused, because you know I like that volume. And yeah, so she's just simply amazing, y'all. Y'all are going to absolutely adore her. I'm telling you, you're going to adore her. That is all for this video. Just had to hop on real quick to give you an update to let you know how this wig held up. It does shed a little bit, but that is to be expected. But it's not like overwhelming, like you getting big clumps of hair in your hand. You're not getting none of that. It's just normal hair that comes out, but it's amazing, y'all. It is so amazing. And if you would like more details, or you want to pick her up for yourself or for someone else, because you know Christmas is coming and this would be a good gift to give someone. For more details, all of the information will be in the description box below. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know you like it here, boo. You know you do. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.